Every destination holds secrets waiting to be uncovered, moments that turn a journey into an unforgettable story. Welcome back, my fellow wanderers. After navigating through the crucial steps of choosing your dream destination, setting a realistic budget, crafting a well-balanced itinerary, and securing your accommodations and transportation, you're now poised to dive deeper into the heart of your travel experience. This is where the true essence of your adventure begins to take shape. Beyond the basics of where and how to the exciting what and who. In this part of our series, it's all about exploring the unique activities, local experiences, and hidden gems that will transform your trip from a standard holiday into an unforgettable journey. Whether it's uncovering a quaint cafe that only locals know about, booking a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, or attending a cultural event that gives you a true taste of local life, this step is where your travel plans start to sparkle with your personal interests and passions. It's in the pulse of the streets, the flavors of the local cuisine, and the rhythm of cultural beats where the soul of a place truly reveals itself. Let's dive in and discover what makes your dream destination truly special. Are you ready? Let's begin. In our last video, we explored how to make thoughtful decisions when booking accommodations and transportation in order to avoid stress and make the most out of our travel plans. In the next part of our journey, we dive into the heart of travel, seeking out experiences that connect us to the essence of our destination. It's not just about seeing, it's about participating, learning, and being transformed by the places we visit. Begin by diving into the heart of your destination. Go beyond the glassy pages of travel magazines and guidebooks and delve into the world of travel blogs, vlogs, and local websites. Here, you'll find more personal experiences that make each place unique. Consider what speaks to you. Is it the thrill-seeking adventures you're after, or a deeper dive into the traditions of local cultures? Do you savor the unique flavors of native cuisine? Or is it the simple joy of finding a hidden spot that feels like it's been waiting just for you? Use the power of social media and review platforms. Read about the experiences of other travelers. Their stories and tips can be a goldmine of information and inspiration, not to mention a way to decide if an experience is right for you. As you research, start marking out these activities on a map. It's not just about what you do, but also where it takes you. This way, you can see how your experiences weave together to tell the story of your journey. Don't forget to check local calendars for events and festivals. Being part of these celebrations can offer a window into the soul of a place, creating memories that linger long after you return home. They also can provide the perfect foundation for storytelling. Remember, we're not just planning a trip. This is where your travel story gets its heartbeat. Imagine crafting a journey that's not just a route on a map, but a reflection of your passion, dreams, and individuality. It's really all about those moments that'll make your heart race, your eyes widen, and leave you with stories that you can't wait to share. Find your own unique spirit of adventure to create a journey that's as one of a kind as you are. And get ready for a travel experience that's not just memorable, but truly your own. See you in the next video, and travel well, friends.